Oh my gosh. Yo, it's only been like 2 years since I posted an actual vlog on this channel. This feels so weird. This man got the mini bike just chilling under the porch, bruh. Look who it is. Look who it is.
You feel me?
This man really wanted nuggets.
Walmart parking lot and eat real quick just to
Why are you being so mad?
eat in the Publix in the Walmart parking lot, and then we'll get Wendy's, and then we'll go to his house.
We gotta get an oil change.
Exactly. Anywho, look guys, we're at Jacob's house, and look what we got. Dang.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Did what? You did the tires?
Y'all just sorry.
No, those are the same.
I really don't know how he did this, bro.
Y'all just sorry, bro. Y'all trying to find excuses, bro. Y'all, you dry.
Bro, how?
That shit's dry.
Bro, I literally tried. No, I didn't even try. I'm gonna take that back. I put tires on my old rims for my mini bike. When I tell you guys that was the worst thing I've ever done. And then I come over here and Jacob does this in 5 minutes. Give you guys a rundown on what is going on.
Yeah, but, I mean,
We're gonna take the motor off this bike. How much did you get this bike for? Like $3, right? $3.50? I don't know. We picked this bike up like a couple months ago, but it's got these big behind wheels on it. It's not the frame he originally wanted. So we have this frame that he painted. That was my old frame from when I was like, dude, I was like what? 9 years old, 10 years old when I had that bike. So basically we took everything off of it, painted it a couple months ago. We've been so busy we haven't got to work on anything. So we got all brand new parts for it. And now we're gonna throw everything on it and hopefully attempt to get it started later. But new paint, new tires, new grips, new brakes, literally everything. Literally everything. And we just gotta get this motor off here because that motor is literally brand new as well, and just slap it on there. Okay, so everything was lining up perfect, but this little piece right here needs to be cut because we cannot get the screw through.
Somebody hold it.
Huh? Don't try this at home.
Do not try this at home. There's so many other ways to do this.
I was trying to hit him. I don't know where my hammer is.
My boy thought, hey, my boy thought that was gonna do some damage.
I thought he was gonna get the, you know, but nah. He said we're gonna try something different.
Hey,
But look at this. This thing got no motor or anything now. Basically, I gave him that frame, and then we basically traded frames. So this bike, I have no idea when or what'll end up happening, but maybe one day we'll start it and just go crazy and stretch it out and do something. But for right now, we're gonna try to finish this.
No, that's too thick, bro.
This man, bro, DIY, baby. Oh, hey, there you go.
No shot.
You just got a lot of dribbling to do. Okay.
You should have tilted it down.
Tell me what to do.
Yeah, because you could see that they did it right here with the last piece.
Right.
Last time we worked on your bike, bro. Imagine these right here, but like what, weren't they all the way through? Because the motor would not line up and his chain would fall off every 5 seconds.
Dude, I had a whole drag strip, bro.
Literally, it was bad. It was just fully, you could literally take the motor from here and put it all the way back here. It was a lot. Okay, so, it's so hot, guys. Oh my gosh, it's probably like, I don't know. It feels like 100 degrees outside. It doesn't matter what time. It's almost 7 o'clock and we're still sweating. But we had to take a pit stop and come over to Ben's house. Ben, if you're watching this, shout out to you. JB's way over there if you guys can see him. We had to come over here and use this air compressor to put air in Jacob's tires. And then I gotta go back to my house because I forgot the sprocket that I'm letting Jacob borrow. Because, dude, our mini bikes take a certain sprocket. And Jacob's ordered 2. I even ordered one time. And the center ring is too big. it apparently goes on another frame. So every time we've ordered it and we try to put it on ours, the center ring's too big, so we just can't use it. So I have an old one, but it's too big of a sprocket. So it's not the one we wanted to use, but it'll work for now. So look at this, man. All right, we are finally back. Basically, the motor was too far to the left and it wasn't lining up with the sprocket, so the chain was going to the side. So we're trying to line up the motor now and move it over. Alright, so got the motor on, got the exhaust on, got the wheels on, almost done. The only thing we gotta do is zip tie like the brake cable, the throttle cable, and the one thing we forgot to do was paint those right there. They're still red from they're still the original color.
Oh, and put the other one on.
Oh yeah, we still gotta put the other peg on.
Bro, it took me a minute. I was trying to figure out how to get that fucking spring on there, dog. I was like, what is going on, bro?
Oh, it's for the...
Yeah, for that. Because it's like weird. You gotta get it in the right way so that when you pull it back, it don't have tension.
But then, if we had a chain breaker, we could put the chain on. So this would be like part 1, and then we'll have a part 2. But we're almost there. What'd you say?
My exhaust is still better than yours.
Yeah, for some reason his exhaust sits like perfectly out. My exhaust sits all the way up against the frame, and there's a whole black part. Like, yeah, I think this is gonna be part 1, and then part 2 we'll record once we come back, and then hopefully this bike will be back on the road or the sidewalks. Sidewalks.
Go on the speed limit.
Going the speed limit on the sidewalks. Okay, so you guys can kind of see me. I'm gonna end the video here. Like I said, it's kind of like a part 1. I'm so sorry that this video is everywhere, dude. I haven't made a vlog type video like this in gosh, bro, probably like 2 years, but it was fun. Like I said, it's probably very short and all kinds of everywhere video, but I'm trying to get back to it. I would like to post like 1 or 2 videos a week with like the mini bikes, and if you guys were subbed from a long time ago, you guys know I have the FRS. There's a lot of catching up I have to do, but we'll definitely do it, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next one.